Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. Hope you're having an excellent day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1966 Ford Mustang. Now this is a factory GT car and a factory A-code car. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Ford, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice this front bumper is in excellent condition, along with the rest of the chrome and stainless. You'll also notice that we got the fog lights, which are working, and it'll give you your first opportunity to look down the driver's side, where you can see these body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. As you make your way around the driver's side, you can see this car is covered in the dark green metallic, which is the factory option for it. You'll also notice that the glass is in excellent condition, which is impressive considering it's the original Carlite glass. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's also done in the factory option, so it's got the black with the bucket seats. As you look across the dash, you'll see we have the GT gauges and the dash pad is in excellent condition. You'll also notice we got the 3-spoke wood grain wheel, and as you come on around, you can see the door panels along with the seat covers are also phenomenal, along with the carpet and the seal plates. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. As you come across the back, you can see that the bumper appears to have been replaced, along with the taillight bezels and the lenses. You'll also notice that we got the GT gas cap, and then we have the dual exhaust coming out the rear valance. As you make your way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back, that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. As you can see, the dark green metallic has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and it's set off by the 15-inch Mustang Styled Steel Wheels that's set up with the Redline American Classic tires. Come on up and we'll take a look under the hood of this Ford. As you can see, it's got a gorgeous detail, and it's set up with a 289 engine that has the Edelbrock Performance intake and the rare 4100 carb. Now this engine's dressed in the chrome valve covers and the chrome air cleaner that's got the 289 callouts on it. You'll also notice we got chrome headers, and this car does have disc brakes. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this GT, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's get this Mustang pulled around there and put up on a lift, and then we'll get it out on a highway for you as well. Now that we've got this Mustang up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. As we make our way under it, you can see that it appears to have all the original pans and that they are in phenomenal condition along with the frame. You'll also notice that the gas tank has been replaced, and under the front, all of the ball joints and bushings are in great condition, and that you can see that the 289 engine is made of the T10 4-speed trans that goes out back to the 8 3/4 inch rear end with around a 300 gear. This Mustang does have disc brakes on the front with drums out back. For exhaust, it has headers with dual pipes, Flowmaster mufflers, and the factory style tips. Now before we get this thing down and on the highway, I want to make sure we take another close look at the gorgeous detail underneath it and how solid all of the floors and frame are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.